Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell USD on Binance US. First, log into your Binance US account and locate the Sell option. This is typically found in the main navigation or your wallet overview. Next, you'll need to specify that you want to sell USD. Finally, select the fiat currency, like US dollars, into which you wish to convert your tether. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transaction. Now, let's set up your sale order. Input the precise quantity of USD you want to sell. The platform will display the current market price, so you can see the estimated fiat value. Take a moment to review any associated fees, which are usually a small percentage. Double-check that your linked bank account or other withdrawal method is correctly selected to ensure funds are sent to the right place. With your order details set, it's time to confirm. Carefully verify all the information, including the USD amount, the fiat currency, and the receiving account. Once you are certain everything is correct, click the Sell button to submit your order. You might then be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication step for security, so have your device ready. After confirming, keep an eye on your transaction status in your Binance US account. The platform will update you on the progress of your sale. Typically, the converted fiat funds will be deposited into your linked bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and the processing times. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.